Hello, this is Darin Martineau. In this video, I'm going to talk about my new product, which is called Birthday Party Magic Show Volume 1. Now, this is not only for birthday party magic. This is very modular magic, which may be used for close-up, and a lot of it for parlor, and some of it even stage. So it's very, very flexible material. But this is material, it is focused on birthday party magic shows. So you're going to learn exclusive new magic routines. It includes 46 instructional videos and 13 magic ebooks, guides, and lists. This is a comprehensive, big, complete master magic course. Okay, you'll learn 13 new invisible deck routines, originals. You're going to learn my original X Factor mental card routine, my Ladybug Sponge Ball routine, which is a 5-phase routine, which is very modular. You can use pieces of it or all of it. My new Midas Touch coin routine, super visual magic. Coin magic kata number 1. Um, Willow the Wisp coin vanish, which I learned from Roger Klaus, which he learned from Chuck Smith. The tiger tail coin routine, which is a comedy coin routine. The growing penny routine, which is also known as AKA as Honest Abe from Tarbell. This is a new handling on that. A lot of original material in this product. The new origami mentalism routine. You're going to learn the dodo bird routine, which is a routine with the origami paper crane. You're going to learn the torn and restored paper balls routine that has mentalism in it. You're going to learn the rising card art. You're going to learn the rising card 5 ungaffed methods. You're going to learn the world's most fair card trick 1 and 2, so 2 variations of that. You're going to learn my new original, the Big Deal routine, which is based off of the Don Allen's Big Deal routine. This is a jumbo card change without using a jumbo card frame. Cups and Balls routine. This is my new routine with new finales. It's based on Di Vernon routine, which is very strong. I also include extra moves and extra sleights for the Cups and Balls. My Harry Houdini Sponge Ball routine, which is based on a Lou Lancaster professional sponge ball routine. My multiplying mini baseballs routine. Comedy card on forehead routine. You're going to learn American flag blendo. You're going to learn the 51-cent miracle, which I learned from Lou Lancaster, one of my mentors. You're going to learn the little doll hand gag for coin vanishes, a little cool gag. You're going to learn my original shrinking dollar bill. You're going to learn the chaperone ball routine, which is a Saul Stone routine. You're going to learn an old classic, Name That Card, which Lance Burton has used on a television special. You're going to learn the big rock in the shoe, which is a creation of Louis Simonoff, one of my friends from Las Vegas from years ago. You're going to learn Bigger Little Club, which is a mental card routine from Larry Becker. You're going to learn my new Las Vegas Leaper routine with the 3.5 card, which is absolutely incredible. You're going to learn the new Missing Piece Torn and Restored card routine. You're going to learn the Sponge Bunnies routine, which I don't include the Sponge Bunnies, but you can get those, at your favorite magic dealer. But I do include my story script and my pattern, which takes this to the next level. I also include over 13 scripts in my Pro Magic Scripts book included in the bonus section. You're going to learn my new Professor's Nightmare finale routine where I change the ropes into one long rope. It's ungaffed. You're going to learn my original Sugar Cubes to Candy routine. These are all routines that are great for birthday parties, but they're also great for a whole bunch of other stuff, such as walk around, restaurants, close up, private, corporate, all kinds of gigs. Not only for close up, but parlor and stage as well, some of them. Now, you're going to learn the Psychic Skittles Mentalism routine, which I learned from one of my mentors, Gary Darwin. You're going to learn the Torn Deck Mystery, which is from Ed Marlowe, my mentor's mentor. You're going to learn my original new informational glimpses. I show at least 2 of them on here. My overhand shuffle palm steel. You're going to learn my Svengali deck routine with a regular deck. You're going to learn my new original jumbo 3-card money routine, my new flying coins across routine. You're going to learn my new bent and torn asunder coin routine. This is a tremendous amount of value in this huge complete master magic course. You're going to learn my comedy impossible prediction card routine and you're going to learn my story magic routine I call Magic Gone Wild. It's a comedy routine for kids, but it could be comedy routine for anything, and it's a really incredible routine on here. I also include 13 bonus magic ebooks, guides, and lists on here. So you're going to get the book. This is Magic ebook by Lauren Campbell, which has got over 34 plus professional comedy magic routines for both close up and parlor and stage. You're going to get my Invisible Decks ebook, which has over a dozen uh, new invisible deck miracles. You're going to get the 202 Methods of Forcing ebook from Ted Adman. You're going to get my Pro Magic scripts, at least 13 scripts included in this package. You're going to get my book, How to Develop Style in Magic. You're going to get several professional magic ebooks, and you're going to get my Magic Act checklists, my Cerulean System Creating Fine Art Magic ebook, the 24 Rules of Magic, which are Principles of Magic by David Devant, um, and my Pro Magic Agreement contract that you can use for your own professional shows. So this is an incredible new product. Click on the link, and we'll see you on the inside.